Hello children, I welcome you all. Today I am going to tell you about sequencing. It means what happens next. We use sequencing in our daily activities like while going to take a bath, preparing food and so on. Sequencing can be done in reading, writing, drawing, storytelling, and so many. Now, here I am presenting a short video in which color sequencing is done. Now, you can see a board over here, and in this board, all objects are same, but the colors are different. Now here it's a sequencing, but we will learn the color sequencing. Which color comes next? Now here you can see I have put some stones here. Now it's blue in color. Blue stone, golden stone. Blue stone, golden stone. Now it's question mark. What will be the next one? Same as here. 4 squares are given. Now first one is green in color. Green square, pink square. Green square, pink square. And then a question mark. What will be the next one? Same as the caps are here. The cream colored cap, then black cap, cream cap, black cap. What will be the next one? A question mark is given. Now I have put some chalks here. First one is a pink colored chalk. Pink chalk, yellow chalk. Pink chalk, yellow chalk. Now what will be the next one? Now on this board you can see all the objects, right? Now you have to see which colored object will be the next one. That means which color will be the next one, which color will come where question mark is given. Now here blue, blue stone, golden stone, blue stone, golden stone. Now which color will come here? Obviously blue, golden, blue, golden, blue. So here blue colored stone will come. Now this is the correct answer and the sequence is complete now. Same as the second one. Green square, pink square, green square, pink square. Now again, what will be the next one? Green, pink, green, pink, green. So, green square is kept here and now the sequence is complete. You can see green, pink, green, pink, green. Now see the caps here. Cream, black, cream, black. Now what will be the next one? Next one will be cream cap. And now see the sequence is complete now. Cream, black, cream, black, cream. Same as the chalks are here. Now here a pink chalk. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow. Now what will be the next one? The next one, a pink chalk. Now see, you can see the pattern is complete now. The sequencing is complete. This is the color sequence. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Right? So this is the color sequencing. Here, this paper is given here and it's just an worksheet for you and you can see here some figures are drawn here and you have to find out what will be the next one. Now see, you can see over here the first one. See the first one. a triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Now a question mark. What will be the next one? Flower, leaf, flower, leaf. Question. What will be the next one? Sun, moon, sun, moon. Then what will be the next one? Same as tree, bird, tree, bird. Next question mark. What will be the next one? The last one. Number sequence 1, 2, 1, 2. What will be the next one? Right? Now, we can complete this sequencing. Like, first one, see the shapes here. It's triangle, then circle, triangle, circle. Then what will be the next one? The next one will be a triangle. If I put a triangle over here, now see the sequence is complete. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Same as flower, leaf, flower, leaf. What will be the next one? Flower. Now see, flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower. The sequence is complete. Same as sun, moon, sun, moon and sun. Now the sequence is complete. Sun, moon, sun, moon, sun. Same as tree, bird, tree, bird. What will be the next one? Next one will be a tree. Now the sequence is complete. You can see over here and here numbers 1, 2, 1, 2. What will be the next one? 1. So, see, in this way you can complete sequencing. The color sequence just you saw. Here the figures are given and we have completed the sequencing here in this worksheet. Now, through this sequencing activity, you will be able to order an event, images, actions and so many things. So, dear students, next time I will come with a story in which we will do the sequencing. We will learn the sequencing of events and we will complete a story. Thank you.